Today we will be going over how to 3D print. We will be learning how to go from downloading a 3D model, inspecting it, printing it, and cleaning the machine to prep for the next printing job. We won't be delving into making a 3D model in SolidWorks or Fusion 360 for this demo, but I will show you how to use websites like Thingiverse.com and import an existing design to be printed. Using Thingiverse, you can browse through other people's 3D models and download the files for the object that you want to print. Once you download the file, you can change the scaling of the object to make it as big or small as you want. For this example, we will be printing a small fox figure. Because we will be using printers in the prototyping lab, the same type of printer in the Invention Studio, the model will not be too large. It will be a lower quality to make sure that the print finishes quickly. To save the file, click Download All Files, then export the files into an accessible folder. You can use SolidWorks, Fusion 360, 3D Builder, or any other 3D modeling software to open the file. I'll open the file using 3D Builder. I will be scaling the model and correctly placing everything on the palette. Once we finish our adjustments, we will save the model as a .stl file. STL stands for stereolithography, which is the best file format for 3D printing. Now we will take the file to the lab computers that are hooked up to the printer. We make sure that the printer has sufficient filament and is not in the middle of another job. You can open the door to see if there is another job, but do not touch the plate. It could be very hot. If the printer is free, you can load your file in using the Up printing software and click Scale to make adjustments, Rotate and an Axis to rotate your object around a specific axis, and Place to lower the object onto the tray. Click Print and then adjust the quality to make your product as detailed as you would like. Once this is set, hit OK and the machine should run on its own just fine. The estimated time will appear, but if the print fails, it'll beep, so stick close to the printer. When the print finishes, the printer will beep. Take a few minutes to let the tray cool, then take the tray out and peel off the product. Hopefully it turned out how you wanted. Once the tray is completely clean, place it back in the printer for the next print job. And finally, we'll have our final product.